Thank you, and a big hello from London. A small, varied group of weekly technical patterns this past week, some disappointing. The first and a significant one was the weekly key reversal down we saw last week in US dollar Brazilian real. This has seen an excellent follow-on lower on Monday and again yesterday, with yesterday being the lowest low and low close here since June last year. It is early today, but this looks like it might continue with a weaker dollar and a stronger real, and with the next significant support below, apart from the obvious 527 area where we finished yesterday, that's down in the 515 zone. US dollar Hungarian foreign also had a weekly key reversal down last week, and though we saw the start of a move lower on Monday this week, there's been no follow through, and indeed prices have pulled back up to around last Friday's close. Over to fixed income, and we had a weekly key reversal down in UK gilt futures last week. And though Monday started with a significant gapping move lower, it ended up being a reactionary move back up, with follow-throughs higher yesterday and today, such that we are not far from creating an immediate countering weekly key reversal up pattern right now. In the commodities, we had a weekly key reversal up in the Brent Gasoil spread in the energy markets. And this one was unusual, as the weekly key reversal up last week came after the prior week's bullish weekly pattern. Thus I was unsure how it would be received this week. Well, so far we have seen a significant rise and follow through higher, with what this week is the highest level since at least February 2024. And it also being the fourth weekly key reversal up since June, as well as seeing monthly key reversals up in April and June this year. Finally, we had a weekly key reversal up last week in the Hermes index of the Egyptian stock market. This week, well, on Monday we saw the start of a follow through higher, but this has been tempered since then, with Monday and yesterday closing lower, as well as today being a little lower and filling in a gap higher made last week between Thursday and Friday sessions. As always, I'm happy to answer any direct questions with anyone who's interested. And with that, I'll finish this section from London. I hope that you found these comments useful.
Thank you for listening and watching this broadcast. This weekly broadcast gives the essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and at the back of this broadcast. The copyright is Eddie Toftbeek and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.